This is a quick and simple way for you to make $10,000 online using these 5 simple steps. What's up, guys? This is Lambo People Love here from Blueprint Your Mind, the channel that's dedicated to teaching you how to create multiple streams of income using digital and affiliate marketing. If you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you know every single time that I'm dropping content. And don't forget to smash like on this video if you get value. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 simple steps that you could be taking in order for you to accomplish $10,000 worth of online sales. This is a very simple but quick method in case you're getting started online and you're just looking to make some quick income. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, step number 1, what you want to do is first identify a problem that you can solve. All right. Most people in the world has some type of problem that they're looking for a solution. Now, when it comes down to online marketing, you could be the bridge between the problem to the solution by providing a high ticket offer. All right. So step number 1, identify a problem that you can solve, then create a high ticket offer that will solve that problem. And a high ticket offer is anything from $500 to $1,000. Now, my recommendation will be $1,000. That way you don't really have to make that many sales by the end of the month. If you're doing 500, that means that you really would have to double the sales. Now, tip number 2 is to create a document outlining the process that you are going to provide for the client. All right. So I like to create documents that are set up in phases where you're explaining phase 1, we're going to do this. Phase 2, we're going to do that. Phase 3, we're going to do this. Okay. So let's say you're a fitness coach and people are looking to lose weight. All right. So your first high ticket offer would maybe be some type of in-depth training on how someone can lose 50 pounds in 60 days. You could create a document that's explaining all of the steps that they're going to have to take, is basically an outline, and what your high ticket offer is going to provide for their client after they take action. Now, tip number 3 is to make a list of about 50 to 100 people. Okay. These are all people who are looking to solve that problem. Right? If you don't have 50 to 100 people, at least make a list of 10 to 25. All right. Of course, if you're selling a $1,000 product, you're going to need 10 sales in order for you to make $10,000. So if you have a list of about 50 to 100 people, that makes it easier for you to comb through this list to at least make 5 to 10 sales. All right. And you want to keep repeating this process until you hit that $10,000. Step number 4 is go through your news feed on your social media accounts, okay? Whether that's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Go through your feed, see what people are posting about, and start engaging with these people, okay? Start engaging on their profile, engaging with their pictures, engaging with their post. Then reach out to them in DM, start building a relationship with them in order for you to provide the document that you created in step number 2. And finally, step number 5 is make valuable content on your social media profiles in order to attract your dream customer. Now, you could do this by giving tips, tricks, different educational posts, maybe some motivation, add a case study. So that means take someone that you have already gotten results for and start posting that on your news feed so people can see that you are actually prominent in the marketplace and you know exactly what you're doing. So out of all 5 of these steps, tell me if you're implementing this inside of the comment section. And don't forget to smash like on this video if you got value, because this is the quickest way that you can make $10,000. All you have to do is go through step 1 through step 5 and repeat this process over and over and over until you actually hit your income goals. So that's the end of the video for today, guys. Don't forget, smash like on the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see my content every time that I'm dropping it. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I am dropping content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.